Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, if your internet is not working in Windows 7, so this video is for you guys. In my case, I'm using here the virtual machine, you can see here, and internet is connected. But let me show you how to troubleshoot this issue guys. So first of all, open this network and sharing center from here if internet is not working. And once you go to here guys, we need to go to this option, change adapter settings. And once you in here guys, you just need to right click on the Wi-Fi connected icons and click on diagnose. So this process will diagnose the driver issues or the configuration issues on your Windows 7 and try to resolve this issue. So this is the primary step to troubleshoot this issue. If Wi-Fi option is not showing here, nothing is not showing here, it means that there is no driver on your Windows 7 PC. So we have to add that manual way. So how to add that in a manual way guys? Simply go to device manager, open here device manager, and in here you need to make sure that there is a Wi-Fi driver network. It should be under network adapters. So in my case this is the Ethernet driver and this one is Bluetooth. So you need to make sure that there is Wi-Fi related driver on it. If it is not showing there, sometime it may hidden or due to misconfiguration on your system. So go to this option, click on your computer name and then go to action and simply scan for any hardware changes and check under the network adapter if you are able to see the Wi-Fi driver here. If you are able to see it, just right click on it and go for this option, browse, pick my, and then choose here the latest driver and then click on next and simply install the driver from here. So this is the second method to troubleshoot the issue. If the Wi-Fi driver is still not visible here guys, we have to manually add that. Again click on your PC, or you can search here view hidden devices. It may show you here. So go for Wi-Fi adapter here and enable that option if it is disabled. If it is not showing still, go to action and we have to add the hardware, add legacy hardware guys. Next, select the second option, click on next, and in here press N your keyboard and look for network adapters, click next, and this will retrieve the information related to the driver. Choose the first option, Intel, and look for any Wi-Fi related driver here. Go for another one, you can see Intel Wi-Fi link, but this is not the related to the wireless. You can see this is related to the wireless. So you can see these are many options here. So we can go to Microsoft and let me check here if any. So in my case guys, I am not able to access that Wi-Fi driver. So if you are able to find the correct Wi-Fi driver here, the manufacturer driver, it should be Realtek Intel wireless driver. So these are related to link. So these are not the Wi-Fi driver here. So we can try this one. Click on next. And I'm showing you just to add the Wi-Fi hardware here. If you are confused here guys and not able to see the correct hardware here, so we have the option to download it from the Google Chrome. So in this case you have to use the another working PC, or you can use the USB T3. You can see it should be showing here, then simply update it. Okay, and let me enable this and see if it fixes the issue or not. Choose this like this way, but it could not be the sure driver that you are using. So in this case guys, you have to go to the Google Chrome and look for your manufacturer driver here and install simply from there. In this case you have to use the USB tethering. You can use the phone USB to the laptop or the system, and you can go to browse the, or you can use the external like USB to another working PC and you can work on it. Go to here, look for like HP driver, or look for here the Dell driver. So you have to go like this way and simply install the manufacturer driver. Or you can also go to the Windows services to make sure that the Wi-Fi driver or the service is running. Open services again and look for Wi-Fi related settings. W LAN auto config is the responsible for the working Wi-Fi. Look for W LAN. Scroll down, look for L. You can see here W LAN auto config. Make sure it is running. If not, right click on it, go to its properties and simply make sure you set up it automatic and start the service. So in my case this will not work since this is a virtual environment, but you can restart in the real-time environment and it will fix your issue. If the W LAN auto config is not running, it will resolve your issue instantly. So these are the some troubleshooting method guys. Hope one of them is working for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share, and thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.